Yeah, there goes that one. I gotta go find something else. Hey, if he wanted it more than I did, I gotta sell it. Going to pick up my Z06 in Dayton, Ohio. Let's do this. Man, why are they doing this? I thought it was a big cup, but it's got this fudge stuff in the total crap. Blanchester oil? That's pretty cool. Now the drag radials are coming off, but I got some new tires all the way around it.
I'm driving a Z06. In my opinion, the 01 is the legend, the 385 horse, which is not anymore. But
yeah, this has a little more.
yeah.
Man, all my tent got smoked. All right. I'm gonna put on my safety belt, nothing personal. I'll tell you now, the clutch is really hard. You'll see what I mean. I mean, it's on or off.
It sure is.
And also remember, really low in the front.
Yep. That's one thing I'm used to is real low cars.
That clutch makes you feel like a freaking amateur, doesn't it? You just feel like I do not know how to drive a freaking car. Now, once you get it straight, you can stomp it. Real hard to find second.
Oh yeah.
Isn't horsepower cool?
Oh, it's good. It's good.
All hail forced induction.
Yes. Yes. It's good.
That emergency brake was always weak before. I think I'm gonna need to go in there and figure out why it's not working properly.
Drove around like 6 miles with the emergency brake on. He's like, oh yeah.
What could happen? Get a little.
Oh yeah.
By the way, that's the window tint in the back. I got to get the whole thing redone. It's been sitting so long. It's had some issues. You like it?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's good. It's real good.
Takes a little getting used to because it's a little angry.
I know, it's pissed.
It's on low boost too.
Earlier you're like, yeah, it's not much horsepower. It's just 500 right now. And I'm like,
at the tire.
That's a lot of horsepower.
Yeah, it's set really on the baby tune.
And that's the low tune. That's not even.
Gonna try to get a little up over 7 on boost. That dog's like, that's a Z06 with a blower on it, mama! What the hell?
I'm not putting it in 4th. It sounds amazing in 3rd right here. You're probably like, this is a new motor.
That engine likes the RPM though.
Okay. Yeah, it keeps the oil pressure up.
Yeah, it's got a center counterweight dark crank in it, billet, 4-inch stroke, so it's a 383 now.
Plainfield Raceway.
Yeah. Now, if you would, just kind of pull it up behind the trailer.
I will. While doing a burnout?
No.
Okay.
No. I wonder how many cars have come down through here sideways, because he also...
I've seen it.
Yeah, he does a lot of drift cars over here.
Yeah.
And they look really good doing it. I'm not typically a drift guy, but they look really good sideways, screaming.
Couldn't have a better entrance to Quick Rev than this right here.
Okay, I'm a fan of the blow-off valve.
Yeah, I'm a fan. I like the way it sounds. The idle of this car is amazing.
That.
Yeah.
Smooth, Steve. And let's put it on the trailer. Steve is enjoying driving this like a lot. He's a big fan. I had a pretty good driving record these last few years. Dang it. Quick stop at What a Dog in the light rain before hopping back in the truck, taking Z06. Kind of an unwritten law if you're riding with me and you're going through Louisville. Kingfish, man. Zorn Avenue by the water. And a terribly problematic AC unit. I don't know what's up with that. The Ohio River out there. This place is really old, been around for forever. I have been eating meals here since the very early 1970s when my grandpa came in here with the entire family and he was smoking his Camel no filter. This is a fish and chips and it's freaking awesome. Man, I'm in the afterglow with the fish and chips. I can already hear that raging AC unit around the corner. That thing is just angry. Calm down, man. It's gonna be okay. It's only like 70 degrees outside. Time to go to Bowling Green. Tomorrow, you and I are gonna tour the Corvette Museum. I've been there before. I know it's hard to believe. But we'll go looking through there and see what's up. The 2500 HD is running flawlessly in every regard. What's up, Zeto?